Be back on it. It's good, boys. It's gonna be an interesting day today. I think we could end the day at previous lows. End the day at this previous low. Would be my guess, honestly. But we have news dropping at 8. So you gotta stay patient no matter what. So let's look at what NVIDIA's doing. Damn. Tesla's dumping. NVIDIA might be attracted to this zone. We could see NVIDIA retrace, maybe? I don't know. We're still bearish. This spot though. SPY definitely wants to go lower. Just look at this. Oh, wrong thing. Kind of in that 70% range of this swing low to swing high. Be interested to see. We had an order block right here. This order block I thought we would have reacted off of, maybe. We didn't cause any reaction off of it. Kind of went right through. So sellers are definitely in control. Yeah, I definitely think we could end up at the low of this day. That's a target I think we could easily get to. You like the cut? Looking fresh. Anyways, I'm gonna stay patient today. News at 8 or 10 Eastern. PMI, Java, like 2 red folder news. I think market good move for sure. It's gonna move. We're gonna get a big candle and either to the upside or downside, and then a reaction is gonna get caused off of that. That's what I believe. Stay patient. Let's pay attention to like what Tesla's doing. Look at this. Tesla just dumped. And yeah, Nvidia might be drawn to this big to imbalance in the market. Maybe, possibly. Spy kind of just sit around here. We could end up popping and then getting that big bullish sell once news drops, or we could just drop when news drops and just drop lower. The hourly chart. Awesome. I would love to see us go short. We're just gonna definitely wait for news to drop and then just wait for price to develop. I definitely think we have room to go lower for sure. Like I'm actually loving that. Let's look back on the hourly. Like look at the hourly. We're bullish. Then we kind of just broke structure. Expansion, retracement. Expansion, retracement. Expansion, retracement, consolidation. Then another expansion. We can see another retracement just a little bit, and then I think we're gonna keep on going lower. That's what it looks like to me. Let's look at the daily chart too. Double top. Weekly double top, maybe. Like unless the buyers actually step up, I think we'll get a retracement into a expansion lower. Gonna have this is yesterday low. Pre-market high up here. So when we closed, or is when we opened pre-market. That's what that is. We're just gonna wait. Let that shit set up for us. Ain't no need to rush it. So all it is. Just be patient. Just wait. And like Ash should be patient, cause like yesterday I got caught up, and then like our ideal trade that we wanted to take was like not until 11 or like 12 my time. So like 2 p.m. Eastern time. Oh my gosh, I almost just turned off my whole setup. Yeah. Market's not really moving, just staying in this range right here. It's nice consolidation. Guess what's gonna happen after this consolidation? We're gonna break out. Maybe higher, maybe lower. But definitely gotta wait for this news. I would love some bearish news. In line with our bias. And then that's where we would take a trade. Because in my opinion, the market looks just way too good to go short right now. Like, it just looks so clean. Well, like, maybe take out these highs and then go lower. That's possible. We could see. Gotta be open for whatever. Hand out like I owe them some. Take out to these bitches like they owe them something. But I don't know, that's weak. I would just look at the hourly. So look at where we're going on the hourly. Just look. We have next draw on liquidity is this low of the day. What day was this? 23rd. I think that's where we'll end today. So we're definitely staying patient to when this news drops. And then we'll see. Gonna let price do its thing, and then react off that. I don't wanna rush anything. Like just because I have to be in a trade, no. I've actually been liking the way that price has been developing after like 2 p.m. Eastern. Like we've been making some end of the day moves recently. Like let's look back over yesterday. This is like insane last minutes over here. Price is still moving. This day, not at all really. I'm glad I didn't trade this day. I didn't trade at all this day. Glad. This, yeah, I didn't trade this day either. I'm glad too. Yeah, that would. This is a good trend day. Not ideal. Now this is a good day. Like, what do we do? Draw on liquidity right here. Boom. Big leg down. Yeah, I think this is opening up for opportunities to go short. For sure. We got about 12 minutes until the news actually drops. We're gonna wait until that drops, and then see what we can end up seeing for the day. No matter what, we gotta predefine our risk. Allow ourselves to be wrong. If we're wrong, cool. If we're wrong, we're okay. We can totally be wrong. This year, I'm gonna make zero psychological mistakes. Absolutely no over trading, no over leveraging, none of that. De-risk when we have to, and then add on risk when it's appropriate. That's the game plan for me this year. And that's how I'm gonna find success. And if I don't find success, I'll at least learn. But by sticking to my risk and sticking to my proper size on my contracts, I'm able to be right more than I'm not. And over time, that's gonna add up and that's gonna compound. But like in the past, what have I done? I've over leveraged. And what happens when you over leverage? You blow an account. So like this year is all about just staying true with my risk and not over risking, over leveraging. And I also need to get better at just focusing on bigger time frames at a time. Don't get so scoped in on the 5 minute, branch out, look at the 15-minute, 1 hourly. See what Apple, Tesla, yeah, Nvidia. I don't really like trading Nvidia, but Nvidia's. This could very well just be a retracement too. But I'm more worried about SPY. Because this is looking for good opportunities to go short. We have a little imbalance. We could make a reaction off of. Who knows? Boom. Let's look at the 5 minute. We're definitely still bearish for sure. We got 10 minutes till news drops. So. Look at this chop. Look at this chop. Yeah, market's definitely, SPY's definitely waiting to move until these big news reports. PMI, job openings, and then manufacturing prices. What else news? Alright, tomorrow, be a good day. And then Friday we do have some big red floater news at 6:30, but usually I trade on these days anyways. It doesn't really affect too much. It's about next week. Next week, Monday and Tuesday, no news at all. Wow. And then Wednesday, yeah, next week's looking pretty clean in terms of news. And then we have CPI and PPI, which depends on how those 3 days go. Might trade, might not. And then the week after that, bank holiday. What is the 15th? Oh, MLK Day. Yeah, that makes sense. That's what I was thinking. See, this month should be a good month for us, bro. And then we just need to keep on stacking the days. Yesterday was an okay day for us. It could have been better, but we just kind of forced a bad trade. And I was all saying, oh yeah, let's take one good trade. That shit was not a good trade. And then what end up happening later in the day, exactly what I was looking for happened. Exactly what I was looking for happened. And then we actually executed on it. Because I usually want to take one trade today, but I'm like, this is exactly what we were looking for. I know I messed up earlier, but it would be stupid for me not to take this trade. So I ended up taking it, and our contracts ran for like 50%. And I only had two. Usually I have 3 contracts. We only had 2 contracts then, because I wasn't like trying to go like my usual risk. That's good. Damn, contracts are expensive right now. Yeah, we have another 4 minutes till this news drops. Do we potentially see some moves going on? Kind of just definitely just chopping. Chopping on the 1 minute, you can see it better, but 15 minutes. I think this definitely could have a trend day today. That's what I think. I think we could just have a big red day. We're obviously waiting for confirmation, waiting for possible entries. Staying patient, cause you never know, for sure. Yeah, now we're kind of getting some clear direction to the downside. Don't heavy on. Shit just looks so. We got about a minute. Just a minute left. Just like that. Yeah. Bullish news actually. Barely entered this fair value gap. Definitely maybe causing a reaction, but that's typically how news scandals are. Usually you get these big wicks. Sometimes you get big bodies, but usually bigger wicks. Look at that though. Fair value gap. Build. Bearish structure for sure. Love to see us hunt for these lower days. That's what I'm looking for. But so far, not enough for me to enter. Still gonna wait. Still just gonna stay patient. Just see. Let's see what the 5-minute chart's looking like. 1 minute. Yeah, definitely not enough. I wish news was bearish, but we got bullish news. Now we're just looking for that retracement. I would love to see us sweep this high, and then head lower. That would be a good entry for me. I had 200 for lunch. Last night I picked on her. Remember, bro, we have all day. We ain't in no rush to put on a trade. We don't have to be in a trade. So we're gonna observe what price does, and if we see something we like and we want to get in, then we'll take a trade. Yeah, nothing crazy on news that happened. Like, nothing crazy, nothing wild. We could enter this, fill in more of this 15-minute fair value gap, some balance. I'm just gonna get rid of that. Don't really need that up. See what Nvidia's doing. Alright. Tesla's dumping still. Yeah, I would love for us to sweep this high. It's about equilibrium if we get in there too. Damn, bro. Yeah, hourly charts are looking good. 15-minute, definitely. It's all about just staying patient right now. Just waiting. Definitely have room to go to the downside, in my opinion. If it shows in a month. That's all shit is just waiting, and then reacting. Gotta stay patient. Yeah, we swept this high. Now we're going lower. Watch for a break below this low. If we see that break below that low, show us more confidence for bears. Definitely want to break below this. Because this is for sure a 1 minute order block. I made that mistake before. I thought, oh, break below this. Potentially we're going to go lower. No, it just popped back up. Definitely need more confirmation about that. TradingView lagging on me. Yeah, it looks like we are going to break below that. I would love to catch this short. Let's see. Could you see break a structure for me? I kind of want more to enter off of, but look at this. This is also a little imbalance. We went all the way through though. Let's see what else. On the 15-minute for sure. For me, this is... Let's see. Stop above that. Perfect. Exactly what you want to see. Hourly's definitely very bearish. I don't know. That's kind of a high stop for us. For me, I just don't like where my stop would be in this situation. For me, that stop's way too high. But for value gap, liquidity sweep, break a structure, not a bad entry. Definitely probably gonna go lower on this though. Cause for me, my stop would have to be up here, all the way up there, and I would think we would target these lows and these lows. That's only a 1-to-1 though. It's not really worth the risk for me, in my opinion. So we're just gonna wait. Let price develop and then react off of that. Just look at that though. Damn, Tesla's been dumping all day. Look at that. Yeah, hopefully it was the right decision just to wait, not put it on a trade. But yeah, for me, just not a good risk to reward. But potentially could have been a good trade. I guess we'll find out. Maybe I missed out, but I'm all about just taking one good trade. Hey, 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 yeah, yeah. We got London on these hoes. Trifling on these hoes. Trifling on these hoes. Bucking on these hoes. Fudging on these Joes. And I'm fudging on these Joes. Damn, bro. For sale. I've seen this house before. This is actually where I live. I'm trying to get into real estate, bro. I want to get some properties under my belt. God damn. No, this might be my dream house. I just went to Hawaii and this like Kihei is so nice. Like so gorgeous. It's the middle of summer and that's just like 80. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna post. Bro, where are all these mansions at though? Chopping it up. Consolidating a little bit. It'd be interesting to see if we could get a retracement, or if we possibly just end up going lower. Definitely just waiting to see, but I wish I don't know, that could have been a good place for me to put on a trade, but for me that wasn't enough. Like I wanted more. I wanted more, and that's okay. Like there, not every trade idea, not everything you look at, every trade idea is gonna be the trade that you take. If it is, then shit, you probably ain't doing that great. Probably ain't doing that great. If you see it, then immediately act upon it. Yeah, 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 yeah. As a child, he was abandoned, screaming "Red Rum." Bro, I would totally not mind live trading on Discord because then I can play music. But I can't play that shit on YouTube because it'll get copyrighted. And right now I'm at the building stages, so I ain't trying to get copyrighted at all. Like I'm trying to reach people. I don't even know how that works. Like if I play music, am I getting banned? Like are they gonna ban me for playing music? I don't know. All I know is it won't get monetized, but I don't really care about getting monetized or not. Like I could care less if I'm monetized because that's really not my goal. My goal isn't to make money off of YouTube. My goal is to build a community off of YouTube. And like that doesn't mean that I have to make money from YouTube. Like no. I'd much rather have like 1,000 loyal people that like actually are gonna get something out of my content than like 20 people that actually fuck with it and I'm getting a check. No, because the goal is to make money off of trading, not YouTube. The goal is to build a community and build people that love trading and have people that are in here communicating to others, bouncing off ideas, stuff like that. But let's see what's gonna happen. We're kind of retracing a little bit, and what can I say? Kind of glad I didn't put on that trade. Because I need more. I needed more to enter. And that's great. That's to see myself like. But you can never like know 100%. It's a probability game. So the odds slightly in your favor. See. I don't love just looking at the 1 minute, but we're kind of looking. I would love to see kind of in this, we're in this big imbalance, but that's pretty obvious to see. Definitely glad I didn't put on that trade just cause. But let's see. Let's wait. And let's react to what price is doing. Because glad I didn't put on that trade. Because that would just be impatient. Bro, I need to get a new chair. Like, y'all peep this? I got like a wood barn chair. It's just pathetic. It's actually like surprisingly comfortable though. But wait until I should cop like a gaming chair or something like that. That'd definitely be good. Yeah, we're retracing a little bit. Let's just mark this out. Just to see. Just to show us. Maybe cause a reaction off of this fair value gap. Maybe this one. But just because we have a fair value gap doesn't mean that's like how you're gonna enter. Fair value gap into equilibrium, possibly lower. That could be a good entry for us. But that's on the 1 minute. Like these higher time frames are gonna show us, are gonna hold more power. Look at what the this could be a possible doji candle on the hourly. Let's look at the 4 hourly. 4 hourly, we're now bearish. Yesterday we weren't. And daily, this is gonna be interesting to see because, in my opinion, I think we're gonna at one point break below this and then start a continued downtrend. Fill in this gap, this gap, this gap. None of them have been filled. Then maybe drawing this liquidity, then going higher. But we're gonna wait and see what this John does. I totally wish I could play music. But once we actually get like a chat going, it's gonna be a lot better. But we just gotta build up to that point. Like it's all about, we're in the building stages right now. Here at Sut Trades, we're building up. We're leveling up. We're showing up. And then once you get to that point, then the growth is gonna be crazy. It'll be crazy. Cause then we'll have, hopefully in the future, you could have like a few people on here, maybe trading together. I don't know, but I like it when it's just me, cause like it's actually me. It's myself. But if I have other people, then it's not truly Sut Trades. It's community trades, I guess. But like that's not a bad thing. Let's see. $15-minute, just open. 5-minute, just open. Definitely, this candle is one we need to watch. See what happens. We could get a big bullish candle. All these candles have been pretty full. Big wick on that candle. Like I'm cool to sit here all day and just wait for that right trade. Wait for that right trade. Because the worst shit is getting into a trade, have it not play out for you, just because you needed to trade. Like, no. That's not how the market works. That ain't how it works. I got 2 twin blocks turning into a dancer. Yeah, I definitely need to see how this 5-minute candle closes. We had some consolidation. We had some consolidation here. A tiny retracement on the 1 minute could end up going lower here, but there's not really anywhere for me to enter. We did I don't really love using the 1 minute chart as a baseline, but look at that. Would love for us to break below this low. Every breath I make, I make in you. You mark my way, Jesus. Every breath I take, I breathe in you. Waves of worthy, waves of grace. Everywhere I look, I see your face. Your love is watching me. I see your face. Ooh. Also, we got like order block right here. Support and resistance. Previous support acted as resistance right there. Fair value gap along with that. This is a good place for me to enter, bro. Our stop above this fair value gap. Take profit. Jeez. You have a take profit here. Take profit at this other low. But hold up. We didn't really break below that. How we don't play that? How we don't play those games? How we don't play that? Your love is watching me everywhere I look. No. Every move I make you. You walk my way. That was such like a random like. Hey, here we go. Every move I make in you. You make me move, Jesus. Every breath I take, I breathe in you. Every step I take in you. You are my way, Jesus. Every breath I take, I breathe in you. Waiting for this 1 minute close. Looks like we will close below. Well, we are gonna be waiting for that actual close. And we got filled. just like that, we're in on a short position. Take profit 1 is this. And take profit 2. And now we wait, see what price is going to do. Why do we enter? 1 minute fair value gap, order block, kind of resistance entry. All of these right here, we had previous resistance that we respected, completely respected it, and then we ended up breaking below this low, and then we had a nice little candle here, and now we're entering. Our stop loss is going to be above this fair value gap, above this zone. That's how we know we're invalid in our that we're basically incorrect. And we're just gonna see what happens if we hit our stop loss. Okay. If we hit our take profit, okay. Like, we're really not gonna care which one gets hit. Like, no, we don't care. It was a good trade, or it was a good. We don't know if it was a good entry, but in speculation, it was a good entry, and that's why we took it. And we have our stop loss and our take profit for a reason. If whatever one of them gets hit is just how it goes. Like, we're not gonna get bent out of shape if we hit our stop loss. No. Why? It's probabilities. Shit happens. You think we hitting heads every coin flip? No. You think we hitting tails every coin flip? No. Let's get some motivational music going. Whoa. Every move I make, I'm making you. You make me move, Jesus. Every breath I take, I breathe in you. Every step I take in you. You are my way, Jesus. Every breath I take, I breathe in you. I kind of forgot how that goes. Every move I make, I'm making you. You make me move, Jesus. Every breath I take, I breathe in you. Every step I take in you. You are my way, Jesus. Every breath I take, I breathe in you. Waves of mercy, waves of grace. Everywhere I look, I see your face. Your love has captured me. Oh my God, this love, how can it be? Na 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 na. Oh my gosh, bro. I've hit the vocals and everything. Krista. Ow. Na 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 na. Show that bit. 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 Hey, let's show that bit. 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 Okay. Oh! What the fuck, man? You motherfucker, what is this? Motherfuck you! Motherfuck. Motherfuck you. Oh shit. Get down on it. down on it. Get 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 down on it. Dang, bro. She won't let me comment. No, bro. We gotta be on the. You gotta be on the 15-minute time frame. Yerd. Yerd. Nah, 15-minute time frame. Some bad luck. That was not an ideal candle for us, but yeah, kind of retracing, but we're sticking in with our position, sticking in where we got in. You know it gets worse before it get better. Still holding my head up. Still expect for the worst. Still pray for the better. And that's what they want. And that's what they need. Throwing dirt. Throwing some dirt and labels on me. You know it gets worse before it gets better. What song is that? No. It's by Chef G. Fear of Love. But oh yeah. So holding my head up. So holding my head up. Jill. What? So holding my head up. Expecting the worst. That's not. So holding my head up. Expecting the worst. So pray for the better. You want me in jail? Throwing dirt. They're lying labels on me. Alright, bro. Damn. Ow, shit. Making some ice cream type shit. I don't know, you don't really want shit on Haunter, bro. Kapalua would be shit. Nice. Would be tough. Oh, shoot. Can't even see that. You haven't been able to see these. Getting a little fake out. Damn, bro, this trade taking a minute to move. Short that shit. Short that bit. Hey boys, let's short that bit. Let's short that bit. Nah, they long that. They long that bit. They all long in it. Oh, now you can't see, bro. My bad. My bad. Are we really gonna lose again, bro? Is that shit really gonna fucking happen again? It looks like it might happen, bro. Is this shit really gonna happen again? Bro, almost got stopped out. So when are we gonna get stopped out? Haven't got stopped out yet. Now we're about to get stopped out. Oh my god, this shit's so good. Yeah. About to get stopped out on the scandal, I think. Damn. 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 Yeah. I'd rather honestly just get stopped out right now, just to close the position. Be curious to see how this candle closes. That is not how he wants this candle to close. At all. Not at all. That was terrible. Hey, shout out GMS Pagemaster. Thank you for that sub. I love you, bro. You don't understand. If you watch this, I love you. Usually it doesn't pull up if I get a subscriber, but I guess it did. Yeah, I think I'm getting ready to close my position here. For sure. And just like that, we got filled. We're out of our positions. Loki, chop. Here's a loss of the day. We lost $222. Usually I stick to losing $125 today, but I felt confident in this trade, and just didn't go off for us. So let's see what happened. Let's tone it down. So right around here is when news dropped. Then we got these big candles upside, and then we got a massive rejection. And here's a little 15-minute imbalance, and then we kept on going lower. And then on the 1 minute, we go back, and then we get an imbalance. This is an order block right here. And then this is kind of a support zone. See, caused that big leg up. And then what do we do here? Right here, we came back up into this area, this sensitive area, and then we immediately kept on going lower. I was waiting for a break below this. That's what happened, and then we chop, and then we get stopped out. And now it's looking like we might go lower, but just wasn't. I don't know, bro. Like, let's see. We had high confluence area that we entered off of, and then we got stopped out. And then we waited for the break below, and that just never happened. But this very well is just a 15-minute retracement. Out. 15-minute retracement is all this is. but we got stopped out, and got stopped out right here. Now look at this scandal. It is what it is, bro. Like what could have been the best a better entry for us today? It's hard to say because the day's not over yet. But maybe a retest of the zone is what we just did. Uh, we we swept these highs. Exactly what we did. Swept these highs again in this area, and now we could end up breaking lower. But it's hard to say right now for sure. But damn, we barely got stopped out. It is what it is, bro. It is what it is. It sucks. But it just means we gotta learn more. And bro, every day I've been putting in work. I've been studying, and where I get caught up is I expected it to be a full trend day, but now we're just ranging in these zones, and then I get caught up, and then we just end up breaking higher. But yeah, this is the trade we took today. We took a $222 loss, which is okay for us. Usually I usually cut my losses at $125, but I just want to let this play out because we're still holding below this zone, which is kind of why we entered in the first place, but then we got stopped out. So it is what it is. This month should be a good month in terms of news and stuff. There's not really any crazy news that we need to avoid. The only really day I'll probably sit out this month, potentially Thursday, and then the 31st is FOMC. I'm for sure not trading that day. I don't like to trade FOMC. But with all that being said, I'm so excited for this month. Y'all don't understand. This is the month where we get on our shit. All of us. It's a new year. I don't really care all this New Year stuff about, but it's our Kobe year. We gotta work harder than we have been. Put in more work. And I know today I took a trade. Lost. Yesterday I took a trade and I lost, but then I took another one. The second trade I had yesterday was a pretty good trade. And I don't really got much else, but we'll definitely be back at it tomorrow. And then the next day, this weekend, I'm gonna be full on working. My problem is just look at it. I need to go back and just look over all my previous trades. That's why I love live streaming. I get to see trade recaps every day. A lot of my trades end up just getting boomed up to our stop loss and then kind of going lower. Like that's been happening a lot to us. But once again, um, this is the trade we took today. We went. Uh, this is a trade we took today. We took puts on SPY. We entered in. We saw this fair value gap get filled, rejected perfectly on the 1 minute, and we also had this order block um, that caused this rally up. Also used as resistance here. And then we waited for a break below this. And then it just ended up shitting the bed, bro. I can't get discouraged by a loss. Like usually some days after I lose, I lose motivation to do other stuff. Like that happens to me. But it's literally just a probability. If I get a win, I'm all rallied up and I'm motivated to do this, that. Like that's a bad thing. That's an emotional thing. And I can't get so emotional. I'm starting to get a little worried though. But on the same side, I have been taking trades that have gone immediately against me. So I've been able to find areas where moves have been happening. I've just been putting on the wrong trades. Why? Well, this trade you can't argue against. We traded with the trend, and we just ended up getting a retracement and maybe a trend flip. But that's when you want yourself to be wrong. But if you're looking at it on the lower time frame, such as the 1 minute, 5 minute, that's when you allow yourself to get screwed. Is this a draw on liquidity? I'm so. What did we do? This is exactly why we lost. Look. We had a draw on liquidity. Liquidity sweep. That's why we lost. Order block. Exactly why we lost. That caused the rally. We didn't see that. And then, like a better trade, we could have seen this and said, "Oh, we're looking to target this imbalance. We still haven't filled this imbalance." Yeah, that would have been a better trade. But we would be trading against the trend, and I'm sorry, but bro, like I am so transparent. Like I'm not profitable, nor do I claim to be. I'm showing you my journey because I know later on in the future when I am winning, when I am profitable, they're like, whoa, what? How do you do it? By losing, bro. I'll be like, yo, look back to all these previous streams. I'll just show you every day. Every day I trade, I show you. The exception is yesterday because I went and got my haircut and then I came back, looked at the charts. I saw that trade I want to take. I didn't even think about firing up a stream, but at the same time, like, I didn't really need to. I'm gonna do one last little brief overview of why I took this trade. So news dropped here. We got a bullish candle and then followed immediately rejected. This was a little 15-minute balance we kind of rejected off of, and then created this big wick. Seller stepped into the market, clearly in a downtrend, clearly. And then we saw this kind of order block, fair value gap also here, rejected off this. We broke below these lows, and then we entered as soon as we did that. However, we started consolidating, and then I got stopped out. We got stopped out. It is what it is. It's part of the game. We got stopped out. It's part of the game, but I need to focus up. I need to study. I need to get back at it. But I'm about to be real with y'all. Like, where is this? Like, it's 2024, bro. It's a new year, new month, fresh beginnings. We started off today. We had a small green day, and then today we had a bigger red day than normal. That's kind of a bad thing. I think I need to de-risk a little bit, especially for now. I've been trading great. We have tomorrow and Friday. Both days we're definitely gonna trade, and then we have a full fresh week. Next, let's just see so we have some insight. Y'all can't see my screen right now, but next week is maybe sit out CPI, but Monday and Tuesday, no news at all. But anyways, I'll see y'all in the next one. I'll see y'all tomorrow and then Friday. Hopefully, if you're watching this, I love you. If you're watching this, I love you. Just know that I'm just gonna continue on. I'm just gonna continue, and I'm gonna constantly get better. I'm being transparent with y'all, and I'm showing y'all exactly like my everyday. I'm being as transparent as possible. I know it's gonna be a journey. I know it's gonna be a process. I'm letting time do its thing, and I appreciate y'all's support. If you're watching, like, hopefully we can continue to grow and grow, get better and better, but we'll see as time goes on. But anyway, I'll catch y'all tomorrow.